How to stop someone from calling you on WhatsApp without blocking them. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just go ahead and open up WhatsApp. And once you do that, click on the conversation of the person that you want to stop them from calling you. Say, for example, this one right here. Now, once you are on the chat section, you need to click on the name of the person at the top left corner, and you will get to this page right here, in which you will see an option that says mute notifications. So click on it. And once you do that, you will get this pop-up window right here. As you can see, here you have three options that you can choose from. You can choose by hours, week, or always. So for example, I'm just going to choose a random option and then click OK. And what this will do is that it will mute this person. So when they call you, they will not be bothering you if that's what they are doing. And you can do this like without blocking them, and they will not know that you have muted them. So it's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can stop people from calling you on WhatsApp without blocking them. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.